In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to get over a breakup. Now, when it comes to a breakup, we must understand that whenever someone breaks up with us or when we break up with someone, it's a very emotional thing and we feel really hurt about it, and we spend most of our time, crying and, feeling so bad about it, and we are in a very low state. When it comes to healing from a breakup, we must first of all understand what happened and why it happened. So when we have a breakup with someone, the other person breaks up with us, we must first understand ourselves that what happened and why, what led to that breakup. We must understand what pain it caused, and every breakup causes some pain or some wound. The first thing we must realize is that we should get out of this phase. We should understand what happened and why it happened. We should understand that this wasn't right for us and that's why that breakup happened. We must first heal ourselves. So the wound which the breakup caused, we must think about it and we must heal ourselves, because if we do not heal ourselves, we will be attracting the same kind of relationships and those are also going to break off in the same way. We must understand what happened and what that breakup caused. We must spend more time with ourselves so that we can understand what we want from our next relationship, and we must understand how we should change ourselves in order to have a greater relationship. We must understand that a relationship first off starts with us. So if we are in a low space all the time, even after a breakup, we might get into another relationship, but that might not be fulfilling because we are still carrying on that wound, or we still have that baggage with us and we are in pain. When we are in pain, we will not attract any good person, we will attract the same kind. So the first key is to realizing what that breakup caused and what is the wound inside us which we need to heal. Our key is to get over the breakup, and if we have to get over it, we have to understand what is happening inside us and how we are feeling. So first thing is we must understand how we are feeling. The second thing is we must divert our mind and do something that we like. We must engage in fun activities which make us happy and which make our soul lighter and happier. It's like we are having fun. So the second thing is that we should have fun and we should not focus on that relationship. We must understand ourselves, we must understand our wounds, and we must heal them and in a way divert our mind to something positive. In that way we will be more creative and we will also do what's good for us, and we will be learning new skills and we will be happier. Now when it comes to getting over a breakup, we must also understand that we must invest more time in ourselves and understanding ourselves. When we understand and change ourselves, our future relationship will be better and we will be attracting the right people for us. Maybe we had a breakup because it wasn't meant for us and it wasn't good for us in the long run. Think about it. It's better now than later on when when we are more attached, or when we are, suppose we are married to that person, then it becomes a little difficult to get over it and leave that relationship. So it's better now than later. What most people don't realize is that a breakup is actually for us. It's for our benefit so that we can heal and we can find our true purpose, and we can actually find someone who's much better than the previous person. It's for our benefit. Sometimes the universe does it for us. We think in that moment, okay, it's not for us and the universe hates us and people hate us and all that stuff. But it's not true. It's actually for us. When we think of it in that way, that it's for us, we will stop feeling so bad about it. We will stop feeling hurt all the time and we will stop living in the past. We must understand that a breakup should not have so much control over our life that we forget everything that's in our life and we forget our goals and we forget so many things that we have to actually achieve. Think about it. We are stopping ourselves by constantly thinking about the pain and constantly crying and all that. We need to understand that we need to heal and we need to move on as quickly as possible. Otherwise, we will be stuck. We will be stuck in the past and we will not be having a good life. So all I'm saying through this video is that it's easy to get over a breakup if we make it easier for ourselves. Now, what do I mean by this? When we make it easier for ourselves, we believe that it's easy to get over it, and we tend to find ways to make ourselves happy. When this happens, we will find the right person for us and we will be much happier. So all I'm saying through this video is that we must learn to understand ourselves and get over it as soon as possible, because it's going to help us only in the long run, and we will be investing more time in ourselves and we will be attracting better. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys like this video. Do like, share and subscribe so everyone can get the maximum benefit out of it. And until next time, peace, much love.